In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the DNS of WP Engine with Cloudflare in 2025 using a step-by-step method. First, you'll want to start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your starting point, the control center for managing your website. Once you've entered your login details and successfully accessed the dashboard, it's time to move on to selecting your site environment. This step ensures you're making changes to the correct part of your site. So double check you're in the right place before proceeding. Next, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This takes you to the area where you can view all your domain settings. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface as you'll be using it to make necessary changes. Now you should copy your name and a record values. These values are crucial for the setup on Cloudflare, so make sure you copy them accurately. You'll need these details in just a moment. Now that you've gathered your WP Engine details, it's time to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Enter your credentials and navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, select the domain you plan to connect to WP Engine. It's essential to choose the right domain here, as this will direct where your DNS settings apply. You're now ready to move to the DNS tab. This area is where the domain name system settings are managed and where you'll input the information you copied from WP Engine. Proceed to click Add Record. This button allows you to create new records or update existing ones. Initially, you'll add an A record. Set the type to A, and for the name, use @ch to indicate your root domain. For the value field, paste the IP address you copied from WP Engine earlier. This step routes your base domain directly through WP Engine. Be sure to set the proxy status to DNS only, which turns the orange cloud gray. This setting means Cloudflare will not proxy this connection, which can be useful for troubleshooting direct connections to WP Engine. Once the A record is set, you'll add another record, this time a kname. In the record type dropdown, select kname, and for the name, input www. The value for this record should be the WP Engine domain, such as yourinstall.pengine.com. Again, set the proxy status to DNS only. This ensures a straightforward and non-proxied route for your subdomain. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. After updating everything on Cloudflare, return to your WP Engine dashboard, go to Domains, and click Verify DNS to confirm the connection. This final verification ensures both platforms recognize the changes you've made, allowing your site to function smoothly with updated DNS settings. And there you have it. Your DNS for WP Engine with Cloudflare is all set up. Remember, take your time with these steps as accuracy is key to ensuring everything runs seamlessly on your site.